beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into all things style and confidence. Today, we're focusing on petite styling secrets that will completely transform your wardrobe. Being petite doesn't mean you're limited in your fashion choices. In fact, with the right tips and tricks, you can create looks that enhance your frame and elevate your style effortlessly. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's explore 7 powerful styling secrets designed just for petites. Let's get started. 1. Tailored fit. The first secret to a polished petite wardrobe is investing in tailored pieces. Ill-fitting clothes can overwhelm a smaller frame, making you appear shorter or bulkier than you are. Tailored clothing, on the other hand, is designed to fit your proportions perfectly, enhancing your natural silhouette. A well-fitted blazer, tailored trousers, or a dress cinched at the waist can make all the difference. When shopping, look for brands that offer petite sizing or consider taking your favorite pieces to a tailor. Even small adjustments like shortening the hem of your pants or nipping in the waist of a dress can create a more flattering fit. Tailored pieces not only make you look taller, but also exude sophistication and confidence. Remember, tailoring doesn't have to break the bank. Start with a few key items, such as a classic pair of jeans or a versatile blazer, and see how much of a difference it makes. A tailored wardrobe is the foundation of elevated petite style. 2. Minimalist layers. Layering can be tricky for petites, but the key is to keep it minimalist and intentional. Bulky or oversized layers tend to overwhelm a smaller frame, so opt for lightweight, fitted pieces that create clean, streamlined lines. Think fitted turtlenecks under a structured blazer or a sleek cardigan layered over a camisole. These combinations not only keep you warm, but also ensure your outfit looks polished and proportional. When layering, always focus on proportion and balance. For instance, if you're wearing a long coat, keep the layers underneath sleek and close-fitting to maintain a harmonious silhouette. Similarly, avoid stacking too many loose or flowy items, as they can add unnecessary volume and make your frame look smaller. 3. Finding the right flattering bottom. The third secret is all about choosing the right bottoms for your frame. For petites, high-waisted bottoms are a game changer. They elongate your legs and create the illusion of height. Whether it's a pair of tailored trousers, straight jeans, or a midi skirt, opt for high-waisted styles that draw attention to your waistline and enhance your proportions. Flare-leg jeans and high-waisted trousers are particularly flattering options for petites. Flare jeans, when paired with heeled boots, create a lengthening effect that balances your silhouette. Similarly, high-waisted trousers with a tailored fit highlight your waist while elongating your legs, making them a versatile choice for both casual and formal outfits. Wide-leg pants can also work beautifully for petites if styled correctly. Choose a pair with a higher waist and pair them with a fitted top to balance the volume. For skirts, go for lengths that hit above the knee or at midi length. These cuts highlight your legs without cutting off your proportions, giving you a polished and sophisticated look. 4. Outerwear. Outerwear is an essential part of any wardrobe, but for petites, the right choice can make a significant difference in creating a balanced and elegant look. Avoid oversized or boxy coats, as their bulk can overwhelm a smaller frame and make you appear shorter. Instead, choose tailored coats that cinch at the waist to highlight your silhouette, or those that hit just above the knee to create a lengthening effect. This balance not only enhances your proportions, but also adds a refined touch to your overall outfit, ensuring your outerwear complements your petite figure beautifully. When choosing outerwear, pay attention to details like lapels and buttons. Smaller, understated details are more proportionate to a petite frame and help maintain a balanced look. 5. Monochromatic outfits. Monochromatic outfits are a petite styling secret that never fails to impress. Dressing in a single color from head to toe creates an unbroken vertical line, making you look taller, more streamlined, and effortlessly chic. Neutral tones like beige, gray, black, or even softer shades like cream or navy are ideal for crafting timeless monochromatic looks that exude sophistication. Monochromatic dressing not only elongates your frame, but also radiates effortless elegance, making it a go-to strategy for petites. This styling technique is simple yet powerful, allowing you to create polished and sophisticated outfits with minimal effort. Whether you're dressing for work or a casual outing, a monochromatic outfit guarantees a refined, put-together appearance. 6. Balance proportion with footwear. Footwear plays a crucial role in balancing proportions for petite frames, making it an essential consideration when putting together any outfit. Pointed-toe shoes are a fantastic choice as they create the illusion of longer legs, instantly elongating your silhouette. Nude-colored footwear is another excellent option, blending with your skin tone to further enhance this lengthening effect. Ankle boots with a low profile are a stylish way to add height without overwhelming your frame, offering both practicality and elegance. Knee-high or over-the-knee boots are excellent choices for petites, as they create a seamless and elongated look from your legs to your feet. Choose boots with a sleek and fitted design rather than slouchy or overly bulky styles, as these can disrupt your proportions. A knee-high boot with a slight heel is an ideal option, adding just the right amount of height while maintaining a chic and balanced appearance. These boots are versatile and can effortlessly elevate any winter outfit, making them a must-have for petites. 7. Simple accessories. Simple accessories are the perfect finishing touch to elevate any elegant outfit. For petites, the key to accessorizing is keeping it minimal. Less is truly more. Delicate necklaces, dainty bracelets, and small earrings can enhance your look by adding subtle detail without overpowering your frame. These understated pieces allow your natural proportions to shine while adding a touch of refinement to your outfit. Structured handbags in proportionate sizes are ideal for petites. Oversized bags can easily dominate your frame, so opt for sleek crossbody styles or compact totes in neutral tones. These practical yet stylish options add a polished and balanced finish to your look, ensuring your accessories complement rather than compete with your outfit. A bag with clean lines and minimal embellishments works best for a cohesive and elegant appearance. And there you have it. 7 petite styling secrets that will transform your wardrobe and boost your confidence. These tips are designed to highlight your natural beauty, allowing you to create outfits that feel both stylish and effortless. By incorporating these tricks into your daily styling, you'll not only enhance your proportions but also master the art of timeless fashion tailored perfectly to petite frames. If you enjoyed this video and found the tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who appreciate elegant and practical fashion advice. Your support means so much, and it inspires us to keep creating content that helps you feel your absolute best. Thank you for watching, and remember, confidence is your greatest accessory. Until next time, stay stylish, stay confident, and always embrace the elegance that comes with being uniquely you.